Alright, YouTube, so we're all completely done with the Denali. Alright, YouTube, and we just made it to the second client here. We have an Audi A3. It's gonna get an engine bay detail. You guys can see it's gonna get the exterior wash and wax. This is gonna be our premium wash. So we're gonna clay bar it and wax it with our Colonite wax. This thing looks nice, man. I love Audis. You guys know my dream car is the R8. This thing right here looks nice as an A3. And we're gonna start with the outside, of course. Inside isn't too bad. It's not the worst. So you guys can see, it's not that bad in here. Client had a little concerns about the headliner and stuff like that, so we're just gonna touch that up for him. And back there, you guys can see it needs some work as well. So yeah, this is a look, man. It's not that bad. We'll probably knock this out maybe, I'll say 2 hours max, just because we're in the apartment complex, so we kind of like got to set up and stuff like that. So yeah, get those air vents looking clean, get those floor mats out. And then we have the wheel bucket already here ready to go. Alright, you guys, so we are all finished up with the Audi A3. Camera died midway, so I couldn't record everything. But we're extremely busy, so, you know, we got here at like 12. It's 1:30 when we finished up, so about an hour and 30 minutes to, you know, complete this detail. Only thing we're missing is those floor mats over there. But besides that, pretty much done. Doors are all detailed and cleaned. Windows are cleaned. Let me pop this engine bay too for you guys. Yeah, that's clean. Wheels look nice and clean. Just go ahead and pop this. And there we go. Nothing crazy, not a competition, you know what I mean, detail, but definitely a good cleanse and, you know, shined it up and everything like that. Something basic, you know. Alright, YouTube, so this is the last car of the day. We had a Nissan Rogue full shampoo. Why is it not focusing? There we go. We had this Nissan Rogue here. Did a full shampoo on it. Took us about 2 hours to complete. Not too bad. I'll show you guys the interior here. The inside. Turn it off real quick. See, it wasn't too bad to begin with, you know, but we still did the Mendez magic and made it shine, made it look clean, smell good, look good. All of the above, all of the above. You got what I'm saying? All right, so done with it. Now we're gonna ask Victor how much you think we made today. How much you think we made today? Damn, you black as hell, bro. Yeah, how much you think Mendez made today?
Made today? Well, I would have to say, by looking at everything we have done so far,
What you think?
probably 5 to 7.
5 to 7? Was it hard work?
Nope.
No? Easy money. Easy money, man. These cars that we did today weren't too bad, but you get what I'm saying? When you're under this heat, it definitely gets to you, man. It definitely gets to you. So I'm gonna just walk over here to some shade. Bam. Now I'm in some shade. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wait for the client to come outside, and we'll be on our way. So yeah, appreciate y'all for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you comment any questions, any concerns, and like I said, make sure you subscribe, because I see that 90% of the people that watch my videos are not even subscribed. So make sure you hit that button, man. Catch you guys in the next one. Hustle never settle. Keep moving forward. Stay positive. Stay humble. Keep grinding. See you guys in the next one.